What's up, traders? Ben here with Market Meteorology. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get real-time data in ThinkOrSwim. When you first sign up, paper trading or live account, a lot of times that data is delayed, and there's a really easy fix to it. I'm going to run you through that. It's going to take 5 minutes. Let's get started. All right, guys, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log into your TD Ameritrade account. Once you've done that, you'll see a page just like this, your account overview. You're going to come up here to the navigation bar, hover over Client Services, go down, and go over to General, which is right under my profile. Click that. That is going to load, and you're going to scroll down, and right here we have exchange agreements. You need to make sure that all of these are signed. If they're not signed, there will be a button that you can click there, and you can sign them. You enter in your name, you hit enter, and it signs them for you. Make sure all of these are signed. Also, make sure that your status is non-professional. If for whatever reason you put in there professional on accident, make sure you edit that, or you can call them to change that, or else you're going to have to pay for these real-time quotes. Now you're going to come up here on the navigation bar right here. You're going to click subscriptions. And this will bring up your current subscriptions. You see streaming news and real-time level 2 quotes. Right here where it has cancel on my screen, it'll have a subscribe button. Hit subscribe. I also suggest subscribing to streaming news. ThinkOrSwim has a really good news platform in there. So hit subscribe on both of them. It'll look just like this, but up here. Once you're subscribed, you're going to log into your TD Ameritrade account, and what you'll see is you'll probably see up here, it's still not going to display real-time data. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to support chat. You're going to click on that. You're going to hit live support, and you're going to create a support request. And you're just going to open the ticket and type something like, I don't have, my quotes are delayed. I would like real-time quotes. And that person's going to go in there, the support person, and they're going to look for those things that I just went through. And as long as those check out, they're going to turn on your real-time data. I don't know why you have to contact someone to do it, but I had to contact someone to do it. So you just send that, and they go, I don't see any reason why it's not enabled. I've enabled it for you. And then you'll have this real-time data. And that works both in paper trading and live accounts. So just check on both of them. If you're in paper trading or live account, it doesn't always transfer over. All you have to do is open that support request and get them to turn that on. You can also call them. I'll list the number up on the screen. It's right here. Both work just as well. The support chat is a little bit easier. So once you've done that, now you have real-time data, and you can use this just as charting software if you're using something else to trade, Robinhood or Short Trader or TradeNet, whatever. It's probably the best charting software out there. If you don't have it set up, I will link below to the setup video so you can get all these studies in here, and you can get on your way to actually doing technical analysis and stuff like that. All right, so that's pretty much it. It's really simple. Make sure that you like this video and hit this subscribe button. Make sure you ring that notification bell. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot more tutorials like this, tips and tricks, as well as reviewing various day trading courses out there. So hit that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.